So we're about to head out of the shop. We're gonna go to a 2-story house in Gilford. We're going there for a demo rebuild for 15 courses. We're gonna have to take down 2 flue tiles and replace them back in because they're failed. It's gonna have a cap put on, stainless steel custom. We're just gonna end up doing some repointing.
Yeah, while you're doing the demo, I can do a lot of the cleanup, pick up all the mess, make sure we don't leave anything behind.